Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two grooming essentials. On the left, we have the mighty Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade QP220/50, and on the right, we have the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR. Get ready for some serious shaving showdown. Let's start with everyone's favorite category. Price: the Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade QP220/50 comes in at a jaw-dropping price of, wait for it, $0. That's right, folks, it's a big fat zero. You can't beat that. Now, let's talk about how long these babies last. The Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade QP220/50 claims to give you up to 8 months of shaving bliss. That's based on 2 full shaves per week. But hey, your mileage may vary, so don't blame us if you're still rocking that rugged look after 8 months. Let's dive into the functionality of these grooming essentials. The Philips OneBlade is like the Swiss Army knife of grooming. It can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. It's like having your own personal barber in the palm of your hand. The Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade QP220/50 is highly recommended for its effortless precision, long-lasting durability, versatility, and cost-effectiveness. It delivers sharp, precise, and comfortable results. On the other hand, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR are praised for their refreshing scent, effective cleaning, and lubrication of the shaver. They ensure the shaver remains in peak condition and provide a smooth and comfortable shave. And there you have it, folks. The Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade QP220/50 and the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR battled it out, but it's time to crown a winner. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that lasts for months and gives you versatility, the Philips OneBlade is the clear winner. But if you value that fresh, clean, and hygienic shave with a refreshing scent, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR might be your go-to choice. Remember, it all comes down to your personal preferences and needs. We hope this comparison helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic showdowns on Buy Smart. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.